Well, it looks like we're going to be watching heavy rain develop to our south as we head into that midweek time frame. Unfortunately for trick-or-treaters this year in the midsection of the nation into the Ohio Valley, looks like a pretty wet trick-or-treat time period. Dry Halloween, though, as you head farther north, and there will be some rain and snow that develops later this week. We'll start off with the temperatures from Sunday. We had 40s and 30s across the Great Lakes region, 50s and 60s through the Ohio Valley, and then almost 70 North Platte. And that's where temperatures, again, were above average by almost 10 degrees. But Minneapolis, not bad yesterday, 5 degrees above average. Marquette, 10 degrees below the average. Same for Detroit and Cleveland. That's where we had some heavier rain. In fact, an inch of precipitation yesterday fell in the Cleveland area. So that storm system rolling east. A very brief break in between systems. Here comes our next very weak impulse of energy crossing the international border. We'll have a little bit of precipitation up there. Could see some couple of tenth of an inch rainfall tallies. And then this frontal boundary is going to set up from the Great Lakes down to the lower Mississippi Valley. So this particular band of precipitation is going to be setting up shop for at least a couple, maybe even a few days. And just through 7 p.m. Wednesday, we're looking at some near 1 inch tallies here. But through the end of the week, total amounts here could be approaching 2 to 4 inches. So unfortunately for trick-or-treaters, it will be pretty wet down that way. In the meantime, it is going to be warming up in the central part of the country. Today in North Platte, 80 degrees. That'll be 20 degrees above average. But again, we do have a cool down coming up by the end of the week.